Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is for Leo, zodiac sign Leo, and what's for them in June 2020. Yes, and it's about Leo. I'm going to see what's for you in this reading. My Yes, for you Leo, you are having very happy home life. Their kids, life partner, happiness, money, home, all the things you have in this June. Okay, you are happy with it. Yes, a lot of love. But you are not going to decide something. You have to decide this is the time, right time. You have no much more time, and you are still not going to decide which part you have to choose. What is good for you? What you have to do? You are not thinking about it. You are taking it very easy, but you have to be serious for this condition. What about this? Money matter, or maybe you have to fulfill some kind of promise with other. You have to do it and you are not thinking about it. Yes, you are not seeing the perspective at the right side. You are seeing it at the other side, the wrong side. You have to think about it. You have to do something, decide it, do what you have to do now. Okay, lover's card. You are in love with someone, or someone is in love with you. You both are thinking about each other. You both are thinking about each other. And uh, yes, you have a happy home life. You have a happy home life and love, and someone is in love with you. Okay, and what's more about it? Yes, go ahead and take that love. Go towards that love. That is safe for you. The universe is telling you that you have to do it. It is safe for you. Maybe this is also for the, yes, I think that this is also for that promise you have made to someone you love. Okay, and you are still not doing anything. You are stubborn. You are stuck here. Why? Because you want to win something. You want to do something. You want to overcome some kind of, because your heart is broken and you want to win it. You want to do it. Yes, that's what I am getting from here, that something bad has happened to you and you are now in still mood, and not thinking about anything, not be happy, not looking at the perspective. Okay, now the next thing is Knight of Cups. Someone is coming towards you with a lot of love, lot of with this cup. They have feelings for you in their mind. Uh, in their mind, they have feelings for you. They want you in their life. Yes, Queen of Swords. Someone is here to cut something from your life. Maybe they are cutting these bad things, bad thinkings, this stiffness, stuckness. They are cutting this off, and you are waiting for them for a long time. Yes, you are waiting for them. You are a wise person. You are a king of swords. You know what to do. You are waiting for them. Or maybe they are the queen or king of swords. Yes, they are like that person. Okay. Now they are from your past. Do you know them? Maybe they are your your cousin or someone. Yes, you know them from your past life. I think that from your childhood, from your yes, teenage, you know them from that. But seven of swords. Someone had betrayed you. Someone had deceived you, and now you are thinking about that things that they have done something bad to you.
मैं जा रही हूँ आपके यहाँ से
And you are not thinking that they are good for you. You love them, but you inside from somewhere you are thinking not good for them. You thinking that they are still the person that betrayed you, that they are not good for you. Now you are defending yourself from them. Yes, I can see that you are defending yourself from them. Ten of Pentacles. You are not going to let them in your life, in your home, in your not going to marry them, and that's yes, you are very protective about them. You have to trust them. Angels are saying to you that you can see that there is a little wings over there, and that is the angel, and he is telling you about that. They are telling you that you have to trust them. They are good for you. They are faithful to you. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Have faith on them. Have faith on them. Okay, release your ex. Yes, that's the problem. You have someone in other in your mind, someone else in your mind, and they are not with you now. They had left you, and you are thinking, still thinking about them. That's why this Six of Cups are here. That is someone from your past life who betrayed you, who left you, who did not care about you, and you are still thinking about them. You are still in love with them, and not seeing the other person who is good for you, who is your who have the cup for you, who make your life your home, like that. Yes, you have to release them. The time has come to clear your energy. If you want to go forward in your life, if you want to have something good in your life, happiness in your life, you want to marry someone, you want to have a child with someone, to uh, to take care of you when you are in old age, when you are very old. Yes, then you have to release your ex and go towards that new person. Go towards your this new person. You are not seeing them. You are only seeing that person who has left you. That's not a good thing. Those who left you, they are not for you. They are not good for you. They are they are having bad energy, bad thinkings. I'm seeing that you are going to marry them and going to have a honeymoon with them. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Yes, going with them. Yes, you are going to change your life now. Yes, I think I am seeing here over here that you are going to change your life over here now, and that's good for you. I'm happy with it. You are a wise person. Definitely, you are Leo, and you are the King of Wands. You are definitely a very wise person. Healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Yes, if you are having some kind of disturbance with your in relation with your parents, you have to forgive them, heal it. uh, Go and say sorry to them, forgive them if they do something to you, or if you have done something to them. Forgive them, or say sorry to them. That's good for you. That is good for you. Okay. Forgiving someone is good for and everyone. It's clear your mind. I can see that there is a book over here, and you are very wise person. You have to forgive them, okay? To move forward towards your life, to move forward in your life towards your happiness, okay? Okay, past life relationship. You have known each other before. Yes, you have definitely known each other before. They are from your past life, and you are going to marry them, and they are good for you. They are in love with you. They are your soulmate. They are your life partner. They make you full. They make your they fulfill your desires. Okay. Okay, mildew fairy, clean up time. Now, with this card, you have to clean up all those things that is not good for you. That is the memories of that past person who have given you that hurt it, who have left you, who is not good for you. Forget them and move forward in your life. That's the reading for Leo in June 2020. You have to do this in this month. After that, I will take your reading in July, okay? That's for now. And I wish that I hope that it resonates you, and it will give you some kind of uh, advice in your life to move forward, and please like, share and subscribe this reading with lots of good wishes. Bye.